Yo, 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 once again, this is Sean Fleming, a.k.a. Showing Up, coming at you. Right here, I'm at Pratt, Frankfurt Terminal. As you can see, all those passengers are stranded. The train ain't moving. Mechanical problems. Yeah. Look at this shit, crazy. Mechanical problems. Fucked up, ain't it? You know what I mean? Motherfuckers want to go on strike, except they want to go on strike, but yet you can't even get their trains working right. What's up with that? They got what they need to go on strike for. This is where you have to go? Look at this. Crazy, ain't it? I mean, fucked up, ain't it? Tell me about it. Anyway, hit me up on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Tell me what you think. Oh, by the way, we gotta wait for another train, which is coming in right now, so I hope I can get to work on time. But think about it, folks. This is what SEPTA treats you like for paying all this money to them. That's how they treat their passengers. Think about it. Fucked up, ain't it? Holla at your boy. Peace.